Hi guys, this is Anushka. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe my channel and ring that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. And also very sorry for this messy hair. I've just washed my hair and I have to go like in 5 minutes and I don't know how will I do everything. So yeah, whatever. Also, a little update. I ordered this lipstick. This is the Amazonian from the Maybelline's matte liquid Superstay collection and it is just so beautiful. I totally love it. The parcel came in today and this is on my lips today. So today's video is a DIY video, finally. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first DIY is this big heart-shaped photo frame. So honestly, this was not my idea. This was my sister's idea. She saw this thing on Pinterest and then she made it for herself. I just recorded it and it turned out so beautiful. So yeah, let's begin. A cartridge sheet, a pair of scissors, Fevicol and some Polaroids. These are in the size 3x3. You can get these printed. I got these from an Instagram store called the Snap Store app. And then what you have to do is you have to just paste these pictures on the cartridge sheet. So the first row will have one picture, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, and then the 6th row will have 4 and 4, like 8 pictures. The center part will have no pictures. So that is how you'll form a heart on this sheet. You can get this framed and place it on a shelf, or also you can hang it on a wall. It just looks so pretty. For the second DIY, I took inspiration from a diary which was lying in my house. My sister gifted that to me on my birthday. So I just decided to revamp an old diary and it was really easy and it looks so beautiful now. You have to check this one out. Old diary, a beautiful piece of cloth, pair of scissors, Fevicol or glue gun. So you just have to cover this diary with that cloth the same way like we used to do in our childhood for the books. So I used this glue gun here and you don't have to worry about the measurements or the neatness. We'll take care of that later. The only thing that you have to keep in mind here is that you just have to give one slit at the bottom and then just do exactly like you used to do with your books and cover it with that piece of cloth. I'm doing the same with the other 3 sides as well. And this is it. You see how pretty this looks. And to make it a little more neat, I just cut a piece of paper and I'm going to paste it where we pasted the cloth, and it'll just look very neat and tidy. And yeah, this is done. I have 2 or 3 same diaries in my house and I made this one on my own and I'm so proud of myself. I really love it. So for the third DIY, I saw this book holder on Chumbak. I think it was for 2400 or 2500 rupees. I'll just attach an image somewhere on the screen. And I really liked it. But the moment I saw that, I was like, I can make this. And luckily I had carpenters working at my place and I just took their help and I made that book holder. So yeah, check that out. Cement, disposable container, spoon, 2 shot glasses, 2 fake plants and 2 L-shaped wooden blocks that I made with the help of the carpenters. Now for the first step, take some cement in the disposable container and add some water in it to form a nice paste. Now this was so funny because I was making this paste for the first time in my life and I had no idea how much water I have to add in the cement, and I also broke that disposable spoon. So this is a trial and error method. Just keep on adding the water and then keep on adding the cement till the time you get a nice mixture of these two. Then finally, when your mixture is ready, put that in the shot glass. Now this is an acrylic shot glass. Yeah, that's it. Now put your fake plant in the shot glass and let it dry for like 24 hours. And I did the same for the second shot glass as well. Now with the wooden blocks, I spray painted them in the shade silver. You have to make sure that you put a nice polythene or newspaper under the block because the spray paint will ruin your floor, and then you have to keep it in the sun or let it dry for 2-3 hours. And yeah, that's it. Once everything is dried up, I decided to paint these glasses in black color. I used a Fevicryl acrylic paint and it looks so pretty now. Further, I added some polka dots with the silver glitter tube that I had at my place. You can also use a silver metallic pen for that. It just looks very pretty and I love the silver theme going on in this bookshelf. Once all that is done, you just have to use a glue gun and paste the shot glass on the wooden block, and voila, your bookshelf is ready. It just looks so pretty. I love it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And if you recreate any of these DIYs, do not forget to tag me on my Instagram, that is Anushka_Sethi. I'll be very happy to see your recreations. Yeah, till then, bye. Stay safe.